you get your coffee? I'm going to be real brief because I want to get to the meat of the topics today. I wanted to start off by just giving you a warm welcome and thanks for coming here today. And I'll talk a little bit about why I wanted to give the introduction today. I think, as all of you know, we've seen amazing, amazing progress in the last even just 2 years in a variety of fields of NLP. If you just look at pre-trained representations, everything from Elmo to GPT to BERT to recent work on top of that like Roberta and others, amazing progress, faster progress on many of the data sets like Squad and others or tests than we had expected. If you look at translation, the advances in neural machine translation and using back translation at scale, again, amazing, amazing progress. And the thing I wanted to emphasize being here at Facebook is when we make these advances, we can apply them directly to real-world use. And these are one of the reasons I'm so passionate about this. This isn't just theoretical. All of the things we're talking about here are actually in production in probably many of the companies you guys are working at and representing here today, certainly at Facebook, on a daily basis, helping people understand things in their native language, helping to protect users and build better products. And so it's been an exciting few years. At the same time, it's obvious we have so much more work to do. As cool and awesome as any of these systems are, it doesn't take very long to find a simple example that trips them up. You know, whether that be a Winograd schema or even just having to have a turn-based conversation with a bot where it has any context and understanding meaning of what's happening, those are all sort of out of the reach of our existing state-of-the-art systems. And so it's clear we have a ton of work to do. And if you sort of think of it more optimistically and say, hey, as a community, can we build the technology that allows any one of the 1 billion people on Earth to communicate with anyone else in the world in their native language freely, to consume all information on the internet freely and safely? That is really the promise we can build together through technologies like NLP. And the last thing I'd say is, I think it's critical the way in which we do this work. I am convinced and have been convinced over and over again that doing this as a community, doing this in the open is the fastest and best way to make this stuff work. Whenever we have a common platform or a common benchmark, we see rapid progress. Whether you look at this as ImageNet, you know, in 2012 for computer vision, or many of the data sets and tests we use, like Squad and others, or more recent benchmarks like Glue and then SuperGlue, you see very rapid progress because it's clear how we can do this. And then when we have common platforms, whether it's FastText or PyText or PyTorch or BERT, and you have not just code but pre-trained models out in the open, everyone can sort of start from there rather than starting from scratch. And so this is why I'm so glad you all are here today, because I hope as a community, if we can work together, push together the state of the art in the open, be rigorous and validate each other's work, we're going to create amazing things for the future. So I hope you enjoy your day. Thank you for spending the time with us, and we'll see you soon. Okay? Thank you.